to everyone. Welcome to our social class. I hope you all enjoyed the previous video. Before going into the topic, I am going to sing a prayer song. Children, all of you close your eyes. Shall I sing a prayer song? Okay. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Mridangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, now slowly open your eyes. Okay children. Next week we have a live test. So I am going to recall your first chapter, Landforms of India. In this session I am going to recall your first chapter, Landforms of India. Before going there, you watch the upcoming video. Thank you children.
Mount Everest is also the highest mountain peak in the world. High mountain ranges run along the entire northern boundary of India. The world's most famous mountain ranges is Himalayas, which run from the Indus Valley in the west to the Brahmaputra in the east, stretching over a distance of 2,500 kilometers. Valleys. A valley is a hollow or surface depression of the earth bounded by hills or mountains. A natural trough in the earth's surface that slopes down to a stream, lake or the ocean, formed by water or ice erosion. Systems of valleys extend through plains, hills and mountains. Rivers and streams flowing through valleys drain interior land regions to the ocean. At the bottom of many valleys is fertile soil, which makes excellent farmland. Most valleys on dry land are formed by running water of streams and rivers. The bottom of a valley is called its floor. Hills. Hill is a high landform that is lower than a mountain. Hills are usually covered with grass. They are useful as grazing lands for cattle, goats, and carabaos. Deserts. A desert is an area that receives very little or no rain through the year. Deserts usually form as a result of climate change. Deserts have very dry air and lots of wind. Deserts can be hot or cold. Plateaus. Plateaus are sculpted by geologic forces that lift them up, and the wind and rain that wears them down into mesas, baths, and canyons. Plains. Plains are broad, nearly level stretches of land and have no great changes in elevation. Plains are formed along a coast or inland. The plains are very fertile. That is why plains are thickly populated. Dunes. Dunes are mounds or small hills made up of sand that are created due to the action of water flow. Underwater dunes. It may be dome-shaped, crescent-shaped, star-shaped, linear-shaped, or many more. The height of the dune hill can be as low as 1 meter or as high as 10 meters and more. Islands. An island form is land that is completely surrounded by water. It can be of any type of land. The island can also be surrounded by different types of water such as sea, ocean, river.
Children, what you saw in that video? Okay, now I am going to explain overall. Okay children. First we have landforms of India, that is mountain, plains, desert, islands and plateau. First I am going to tell about plateaus. What are the what do you mean by mountains? How many mountain chains we have? Okay, I will tell the answer. We have three mountain chains: the Great Himalayan Mountain, the Middle Himalayas and the Outer Himalayas. The Great Himalayan chain, otherwise called as Himadri. The Middle Himalayas are otherwise called Virpanchal. The Outer Himalayas also known as Shivaliks. These are the mountain chains we have. We already discussed about this topic. So I have to next move on plains. Plains is a very fertile area. Plains is a very fertile area. Why means Ravi, Beef, Satluj, these are the rivers that flow in this region. So the plains are also called very fertile area. Very largest plains are known as northern plains. So compare with other landforms, the plains very population, plain areas is very high population compared with other landforms. Plains are also known as bread basket of India. This plains also known as bread basket of India. Next I am going to discuss about desert. Desert, we have desert. The Great Indian Desert, also known as Thar Desert. Very little fun. The desert place only, the desert region only have very little rainfall. Bikaner, Jodhpur, Rajasthan are a desert area. What are the plants we have in this desert area? Can you say, children? What are the plants we have in this area? Okay, I will tell the answer. Bubble, kikar, shrubs, thorny plants. These are the plants in this desert area. Camels are used for traveling. Okay, children. Next, I am going to tell about island. Island means a piece of land that surrounded by water is called islands. We have two group of islands. One is Andaman and Nicobar group of islands are also known as volcanic island, and other one is Lakshadweep islands are also known as coral islands. These are the two group of islands we have. Next, coconut is the main product in this island region. The Andamanese, Saravas, Champans, these are the major tribal group in this island region. Okay, next I am going to tell about plateau. The largest plateau in India is called Deccan Plateau. Plateaus are flat and uneven tablelands. We can say in plateau. Okay, minerals, diamonds. These are the main important in plateaus. Okay, children. I think you all recalled in first chapter. Thank you, children. You all get good marks in this next test. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.